up in the Himalayan mountains, there's this place characterized as a cold desert called Leh, also known as the Land of Llamas, situated in the Union Territory of Ladakh in India. It has a very unique beauty with bare mountains and rivers surrounded by its landscape. It has a very pleasant climate with temperatures in the summers not exceeding 25 degrees, and the winters are wild with temperatures reaching minus 20 degrees. It is inhabited by beautiful and simple people having a sustainable lifestyle. It is also a tourist destination for people who come to visit the majestic Pangong Lake, or trek through the Himalayan valleys and climb those 6,000-meter mountain peaks. Leh is also very close to the Chinese border. Having a large section of Indian military deployments, it gives a sense of patriotism. You can see the Sukhois and Mi-17s doing their flying drills every day. And the sky is the most prominent thing that you will notice, as it has the bluest of the blue shade in its hue, and it's as clear as its water. Ladakh also has green mountains and a landscape so wide that it feels like it's a treat for your eyes. Living in Leh gives my soul the satisfaction of having a quality life. Surrounded by the Himalayas, it's not only exciting to live here, but also naturally therapeutic for the mind, which tends to build positivity in life. I'm very lucky to have found this place to spend a part of my life's time here.